Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Mai bhaktirhi bhutanam amritattaya kalpate. Mai bhaktirhi bhutanam amritattaya kalpate. Sangsara sindhu tvarane hidayam jadi sad. Sankirtanam ritarase ramate manoschet. Premam budho viharane jadi chittaviti. Chaitanya chanda charane kurutanuragam. Chaitanya chanda charane kurutanuragam. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, before leaving this material world, crying and speaking the reason for why I came on this material planet. I couldn't give that vital thing. I wanted to give something secret. I wanted to give, but who can receive? I find nobody here who can receive this thing. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, lamenting, speaking, the reason for why I came in this material planet, I wanted to give some secret thing, but I find nobody here who can accept it properly. Many people, not only many people, many devotees, not only many devotees, those who took shelter unto the latest feet of Prabhupada, they also misunderstood Prabhupada. They also misunderstood Prabhupada, gone away leaving Prabhupada, speaking all against Prabhupada, writing against Prabhupada. They think Prabhupada is not at all ready to allow you to do Raganuga Bhajan. They are so idiot, so foolish. They think that Prabhupada never allow anybody to do Rukanuga Bhajan, Raganuga. They are so foolish, idiot. Nobody can understand the heart of Prabhupada. We are very sorry. It is too late for us. We have done mistake. At the bank of Radha Kundo, Prabhupada speaking Harikatha. Now at present is Kunjo Bihari Math. At the bank of Radha Kundo, Prabhupada speaking Harikatha. And Prabhupada calling, don't go there, come here. Don't go there, come here. I know you are feeling pain to hear what I am speaking. What I am speaking, you cannot bear. But don't go there. You can get lost in spiritual life. You can get lost in this material world. If you can get lost in spiritual life, it's good. But you can get lost in material world. Don't go there. They are all sahajiya. Come to me. Hear me what I say. But nobody like to hear, pay attention to his request. So before leaving this material world, Prabhupada crying and speaking, to engage people in actual bhajan, to engage people in actual bhajan, I was bound to speak all strict words. Very hard I was. Otherwise there's no way. Maybe they misunderstood me, but someday they can understand why I wanted to speak. Someday, if their luck is favorable, then someday they can understand why I was so strict to speak all this hard, straightforward I was. to speak all those things. At the bank of Radhakunda, Prabhupada speaking Harikatha, Kartik Mas, in this Kartik Vrata, and wanted to speak about Raganuga Bhajan. In the meantime, the topics of Radharani came. Prabhupada cannot speak. When one to take the name of Radharani, he bursted into tears. Prabhupada cannot speak anything. Same reason. Sukadeva Goswami when Sukadeva Goswami wanted to speak something about Radharani, but cannot speak the name of Radharani. Sukadeva Goswami get lost. So secret thing, but now so cheap. Actually, many people misunderstood Prabhupada. They think Prabhupada never allow anybody to do Raganuga Bhajan. But I heard from my Guru Maharaj and all senior devotees that Prabhupada was very much in favor of Raganuga Bhajan. But Prabhupada never allowed Sahajiya Bhajan. Prabhupada never. So strict. Prabhupada can never allow you to become Sahajiya. That is the main problem for you.